Hello, boys and girls. Do you know what time it is? It's brain exercise time. We are going to remember the sounds that we learned in the previous lessons, and we're going to make new words. Let's start at Letterland and go from there.
Letterland, Letterland, there could be no better land for meeting a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. Walter Walrus Wetterland meets slithering Sam, a king who can kick, a quarrelsome queen, or meet noisy Nick. So let's go to Letterland. Let's go to Letterland today.
I love the Letterland theme song. Now, because we're superstar readers, we are going to remember the sound that you see in front of you. Let us put our finger on a S. Very nice. And S is the first sound we hear in the word star, just like you are. Our next picture is a frog, and frog begins with the F. Very nice. Put your finger on the sound F. Oh, there it is. You're so good at this. And this picture is a elephant. And elephant begins with an E. Excellent. Our last sound is A for, you can see the picture, it's an umbrella. A for umbrella. Very nice. Now we are going to read words. What is this picture? Yes, this is the sun. Let us learn how to read the word sun. Put your finger on the green dot by the S sound. All right? S, A, N. Sun. One more time. S, A, N. Sun. Let us do it together, and you'll see how Teacher Letty puts a finger under every sound. Then I slide it to put the word together. S, A, N. Sun. S, A, N. Sun. For our next word, let's put our finger on the sound F. A, N. Fan. Again. F, A, N. Fan. This is a fan. Well done. Ha! I figured it out. I think you're looking at these pictures and just saying the words. So, I want us to first look at the words before we look at the picture. So, let us just practice one more time. Your finger is on the green dot by the J sound. J, A, G. Jug. One more time. J, A, G. Jug. This is a jug. Well done. Now we just have the sounds. Then we're going to put them together to read the word. Let's put our finger on the green dot by the P sound. P, O, T. Pot. P, O, T. Pot. What word is this? Yes, this is a pot. Well done, boys and girls. Pot. Let's go to our next word. Let's put our finger on the green dot by the P sound. Okay? P, E, N. Pen. P, E, N. Pen. And what is this word? Yes, this is a pen. A pen is what teachers and older people like to use when they are writing. All right. And just like that, you have read more than 4 words. You are awesome. That is all for our lesson today. You're making me so proud. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.